Blogging has evolved from a simple online diary to a powerful tool for sharing knowledge, promoting businesses, and building communities. Here's a detailed look into blogging. 1. What is blogging? At its core, blogging is the act of writing and publishing content on the web. It can be personal, professional, or a mix of both. 2. Choosing a niche. Successful blogs often focus on a specific topic or niche. Whether it's travel, food, tech, or fashion, find your passion and stick to it. 3. Platforms. WordPress, Blogger, and Medium are popular platforms. WordPress, in particular, offers extensive customization with plugins and themes. 4. Content creation. Quality over quantity. Research your topics, maintain a consistent voice, and always aim to provide value to your readers. 5. Monetization. Blogs can be monetized through ads like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling products or services. 6. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your blog for search engines to increase visibility. This includes keyword research, meta descriptions, and quality backlinks. 7. Engaging with readers. Respond to comments, engage on social media, and consider sending out newsletters to keep your audience engaged and returning. 8. Analytics. Tools like Google Analytics help track your blog's performance. Monitor which posts are popular, where your traffic is coming from, and adjust accordingly. 9. Continuous learning. The digital landscape is always changing. Stay updated with the latest trends in content creation, SEO, and social media. 10. Consistency. Regularly updating your blog helps in retaining readers and improving search engine rankings. Blogging can be a fulfilling hobby, lucrative business, or both. With dedication, passion, and the right strategies, you can establish a successful blog that resonates